My brother always says to me, why can't you divide by 0? So here we are, Scott. I hope you're paying attention. First we're going to start off with something simple, addition. If we have a 5 and we want to add a 4 onto it, then we move along our number line 4 places and so we have 9. Subtraction simply works the other way around, so we have 9 and we subtract 4 and we end up with 5. Now multiplying is glorified addition. So 3 times 7 is 3 plus 3 plus 3 7 times. So we get 21. Division is just glorified subtraction. 21 minus 3 until we reach 0. Even for the division of numbers that don't fit nicely, we still keep dividing until we reach 0. Now the problem here is that once we divide by 0, we have something interesting. Well, what is 10 minus 0? 10. And we do it again. 10 minus 0, 10. You get the idea, we're just going to go on forever all the way into infinity. But you can't say that because infinity is an idea and not a number, so something can't equal infinity. What we have to say is that if we take the limits of 1 over x as x tends to 0, then we have infinity. This is a perfectly valid statement. But why we can't just say this is, it depends which way you look at it. So if we take it from the positive direction, right, we're dividing by smaller and smaller numbers towards 0, and the number gets bigger and bigger and bigger, closer to positive infinity. But if we take it from the negative direction and get closer and closer to 0, it actually goes down towards negative infinity, and you can't have plus or minus infinity as the same answer. So that is why we just do the limit as it tends to 0. So the question is, why does your calculator normally just say error? This is simply because it's coded to ignore this action. You can see that calculators actually do work out things. Put in an example of loads of square root signs and then a random number. It actually takes a long time for it to process, but dividing by 0 takes no time at all. Or because if it tried, it would probably overheat and then it would set on fire and, burn down the exam hall. Which would at least make that exam more interesting. Now, give us a like on Facebook, follow us on Twitter. This is SC from ES Einsteinium. Don't work too hard.